MYRO is getting listed on Binance tomorrow. Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Rutland, and today I'm going to show you some MYRO TA. On top of that, I'm also going to show you some Rocky, Total Tree, etc. So yeah, you really want to stick to this video because these next few weeks are going to determine where cryptos are going to go. So starting off with MYRO, we had a nice pump, and this was a clear top, right? We had, well, some people call this kind of a head and shoulders, right? Head and shoulders pattern, and you can see left shoulder here, head and right shoulder, yeah? Right, that's good. And the target, I didn't really trade this. I don't really want to short in bull market, right? We are going to bull market. Target was like 11 cents, so yeah. But speaking of that, I don't really think MYRO will come back to visit these lows. That would be, in my opinion, too bearish for MYRO, right? Because that's just too easy place for the dumb money to fill their bags again, and it's just not ideal for everybody, right? Not everybody will get rich, right? So yeah, looking at the volume on bigger short, it's not looking as great as it was looking on Mexi. 1 second. So yeah, on Mexi right here, I have already drawn some CA for this video. We'll talk about it pretty soon. So very important volume level is sitting at 13.5 cents, 13.6 cents. That's the highest volume node we have been trading. Well, the highest volume node is the white line, but the value at area high is the blue line. Usually, if price tends to come to the value area high and lose it, usually comes back down to value area low, but it doesn't mean it will happen. What I'm trying to say is this is perfectly just aligning with everything, right? Fibonacci 618 here. I don't really trade that much, but it's a good confluence to spot long this level, right? And a 786 from this low. So yeah, I'm really like bullish about this level. And only thing I want to see is just sideways consolidation till February. Why? Because the dumb money will get out of MYRO when it's just looking boring as fuck and just going down, right? If MYRO is just the dumb money bore somewhere here, right? And next day it's going down. What do? They sell. They panic. They in fear. And when do they buy again? When it's above the highs. I'm not saying that's a bad place to be buying because MYRO is going to $1, right? But the best place is to buy when everybody else is in fear. That's when the smart money, the rich people are buying. So yeah, I don't really see MYRO just coming to this level and then just bouncing back up. That's ideally just not too healthy and bullish. We kind of saw that thing here, but we also like just chopped around. We didn't just go down and then like this, right? So yeah, I really just want to see this going sideways for now and see some signs of bullish bullish price action, right? I just want to see this going sideways. Maybe wicking below lows, stuff like that, but just making higher highs, at least higher lows, and just looking boring but bullish at the same time, right? And that's your last chance. That's when MYRO tells you that's your last chance to get on board. Okay, so yeah, just want to see some sideways action on MYRO. And overall, I have my others here, like the highs and then 35 cents and then 50 cents, 60 cents and $1. That's pretty reasonable for MYRO to do in this bull run. But I don't really see doing right now because that's the place where everybody wants to sell, and of course last bull run, if you compare like MYRO and Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin wanted to go to 100K, right, in the late 2021, when everybody was telling, oh, this is different, this is going to 100K, right? It topped out at 69. The same thing could happen with MYRO. I'm not saying will, because it's looking very, very bullish. And check out my Twitter, by the way, X. I post here a lot of things related to MYRO, and also this short right here, this picture, right? It's pretty much looking the same, right? So this is the reason I'm telling you, pack your bags with MYRO. This is going to explode. So MYRO team is not so good with holding secrets and stuff like that. There have been rumors about Binance listing. And when Binance lists MYRO, which could happen tomorrow, could happen any day, bro. It could happen today, tomorrow, next week, next month. You never know. So yeah, I really tell you, this is the dip to buy. If we lose this low, it's over. Then we have to reaccumulate again unless we break the highs again, right? But I don't think that will happen. It's just too much of buy demand here. Anyways, some people wanted to take a look at Rocky. I know this chart is just going down. And when you take a look at CoinMarketCap, it was listed like in mid-December. Well, the thing about Rocky is that it only pumps when MYRO pumps because it's related to MYRO, right? If MYRO doesn't pump, why would Rocky pump? Because Rocky is the brother of MYRO. So it wouldn't make any sense for Rocky to pump and not MYRO to pump. Market cap is pretty low, 2 million, so it means like it could do like a fucking 5,000x to 1 billion or 500, I don't know. But the red flags for me are that it's only on like 1, 2 centralized exchanges, and that's not the most bullish shine usually for me. It's good to have at least like 3 exchange listings. It's not even on Mexi, and Mexi is like list everybody. So yeah, I don't know. They had a nice sell-off, kind of what we want to see on MYRO right now. Just distributing and just starting to go sideways, catching their breath and just going higher. I want to show you a chart about Solana. I just want to show you like how crucial the sideways movement is before the pumps, right? It is on a bigger time frame, but it plays the same role in every time frame pretty much. So this is kind of like MYRO. I'm not saying coming back to the lows. This is of course a buy bit, so it's a lot lower. Started from a lot lower, and we had a pump right on MYRO. Then we have a cool off, like we do have right now, cool off, and then it just needs to find a good base. Okay, good base right here. I'm going sideways. Okay, this is weeks, but I could take MYRO like a couple of days or like a couple of weeks maximum. I really think if MYRO goes sideways for months, it's kind of a red flag for me, to be honest. It's not healthy to do too much sideways action when you are actually like pretty bullish. But yeah, kind of the same when I see here. Sideways, boom, explosion. Sideways, explosion. Right. Then I want to show you total tree because it's pretty important to also take a look at the total tree. It plays a huge role in which direction altcoins are moving. So this is a chart that excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is only like Solana, what like BNB, stuff like that, XRP, Cardano, ADA, everything Matic, and also MYRO and many others. So support, I would be saying it's a pretty good support resistance flip right here, resistance here, support here, a couple of weeks. So if we just do something like this, could easily take the highs out. I don't usually see stuff like this happening and making new highs. If it just bounces up, it might make a dead cat bounce and just come back inside, then reaccumulate and go higher. But yeah, Dollar Tree pretty much just has to go sideways. So now is your time to pack your bags and be ready for the next 100x on MYRO. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check my X account, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.